Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Car Essentials is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical investments you can make for peace of mind on the road, ensuring that whether you're commuting daily, embarking on a cross-country adventure, or simply running errands, you're always prepared for unexpected breakdowns, flat tires, or minor emergencies, transforming potential roadside disasters into manageable inconveniences with the right tools at your fingertips. Number 5. TICARVE Cleaning Gel. Introducing the perfect solution for a spotless car interior. This innovative gel reaches every nook and cranny, effortlessly picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from your vehicle's tight spaces. It even leaves a pleasant magnolia scent. Using it is incredibly easy. Just push this flexible goo into any gaps or crevices in your car, and watch as it grabs all the hidden dirt. Then, simply pull it out, taking all the grime with it. Its versatility extends far beyond your car. You can press it onto your keyboard surface to lift away dust between keys. This amazing cleaner is suitable for almost all devices and surfaces, making it a truly universal tool. Don't throw it away after one use. This cleaning gel is designed to be reused multiple times. Simply store it back in its jar in a cool place until its color darkens, indicating it's time for a fresh one. Crafted from high-tech material, it's sticky enough to capture dust but never sticks to your hands. It also boasts a sweet magnolia flower scent, leaving your clean surfaces smelling fresh. Plus, it leaves absolutely no residue behind. This incredible gel isn't just for cars and keyboards. It's also perfect for cleaning rugged surfaces around your home and office, like printers, cell phones, and even furniture. Just ensure the surface is dry for best results. What we like. This unique gel is perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean spots in your car's interior. Its flexible, non-sticky formula effortlessly picks up dust and debris from vents, cup holders, and keyboard keys. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep every nook and cranny of your vehicle spotless, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. AstroAI 27-inch Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. Tackle winter's worst with this essential 2-in-1 tool. It quickly clears snow, frost, and ice from your vehicle, making your mornings much easier. This versatile tool combines a powerful snow brush with an integrated ice scraper. It's designed to remove even the toughest ice and heavy snow efficiently. Worried about scratches? Its specially polished, soft bristles are gentle yet effective. They won't damage your car's paint or glass, ensuring a pristine finish. Constructed with high-strength materials and an ergonomic grip, it's made to last. This tool withstands blizzards and temperatures as low as -40°F, providing reliable performance. Its clever design allows the brush and scraper to detach quickly. This makes it compact and easy to store in your car, garage, or toolbox, ready for any situation. With an extended 27-inch reach and optimized head sizes, it's ideal for all vehicles. Whether you drive a car, SUV, or truck, it offers hassle-free snow and ice removal. What we like. This 2-in-1 tool makes winter car clearing a breeze, combining a brush and scraper for efficient snow and ice removal. Its specially designed bristles are gentle on your vehicle's paint, ensuring no scratches. If you live in a snowy region and need a durable, safe, and easy-to-store solution for winter mornings, this will be your go-to. What people say. Number 3. LIANXIN 142-piece upgraded roadside assistance emergency kit. This comprehensive kit is your ultimate companion for unexpected situations on the road. It's packed with essential tools and supplies, making it the perfect gift for any driver. Its UL-certified jumper cables offer superior safety and reliability. Featuring huge, insulated alligator clips and a reinforced PVC cable, it resists freezing, cracking, and tangling. Inside, you'll find a compact and organized toolbox with everything you need for minor repairs. Each tool has its place, ensuring cleanliness, safety, and convenience in a strong plastic shell. This kit includes an upgraded high-carbon steel hammer for emergency window breaking. It also provides raincoats and reflective safety clothing, keeping you safe during roadside repairs. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your car's trunk or back seat. Beyond roadside emergencies, it's also equipped with survival tools for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides peace of mind with a wide array of essential tools for unexpected roadside emergencies. It includes UL-certified jumper cables for safety and a well-organized toolbox for quick access. If you prioritize preparedness and want a robust, reliable emergency kit for any driver, this one covers all the bases. What people say. Number 2. THINKWORK Pink Emergency Roadside Kit for Ladies. Discover the newly upgraded THINKWORK Pink Emergency Roadside Kit, specially designed for teen girls and ladies. It's a comprehensive solution for unexpected car troubles, ensuring safety and peace of mind on the road. We've upgraded it with a 2-in-1 LED flare, acting as both a flashlight and a warning triangle. You'll also find a 2-color emergency blanket for better visibility and improved deer whistles to prevent collisions. This kit includes practical pink accessories like a pink LED flare, jumper cables, a safety hammer, and a fully equipped first aid kit. It provides everything needed to handle most roadside accidents efficiently. Be prepared for dead batteries, minor breakdowns, or winter conditions. Its reflective strips increase visibility, making it an essential travel companion for your car, truck, or RV. All tools are packed in a sturdy, soft, and stylish pink bag, saving space in your vehicle. Every accessory, including the pure copper wire cord jumper, is high quality and designed for quick, reliable use. This practical and beautiful kit is an ideal gift for new drivers, experienced drivers, or any lady. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or graduations, showing you care about their safety. What we like. This kit stands out with its thoughtful, lady-specific design and unique safety additions like deer whistles and a 2-in-1 LED flare. All essentials are neatly packed in a stylish pink waterproof tote. If you're looking for a practical, aesthetically pleasing, and safety-focused gift for a female driver, this offers both utility and a personal touch. What people say. Number 1. Drive Collapsible Multi-Compartment Car Trunk Organizer. Car organization is now effortless with this product. It can be resized to fit various vehicle spaces and conveniently folds away when not in use. Say goodbye to loose clutter. This organizer features a tie-down strap system to keep your belongings in place while on the road. Simply fasten it to the back seat or anchor points in your trunk. Tidying your car's interior becomes effortless with this organizer. It features multiple compartments, perfect for holding groceries, tools, cables, work materials, and other essentials. If you need storage that stays upright, this organizer is for you. It comes reinforced with a waterproof lining and stiff base plates in every panel, ensuring durability and stability. Whether for yourself or as a gift, your satisfaction is our priority. Our team is available 24/7 to answer any questions or concerns you might have about it. What we like. This organizer is a game-changer for keeping your car's trunk tidy and clutter-free. Its collapsible design and adjustable straps ensure it fits perfectly and stays secure during transit. If you struggle with items rolling around in your trunk and need a durable, versatile solution for groceries, tools, or sports gear, this will bring order to your vehicle. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. No reviews provided in the source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.